Hello everybody. Today we are here to learn how to write process analysis paragraphs. The objective is to learn how to write a process analysis paragraphs. And the contents are: what is a process analysis paragraph? Then we have some samples of process analysis paragraph, and then we are analyzing some samples of process analysis paragraph, and the language focus will be about transitional words and chronological order. And the last thing is writing task. Now, what is a process analysis paragraph? In our world, you can see that it's full of processes. At this time or that times in your life, you are required to describe how to do something or how something works or happens. So in a process analysis paragraph, you divide a process into separate steps in order to describe the process. So what is a process analysis paragraphs functions? It explains a sequence or a series of process and the paragraph presents facts and details in chronological order. That means in order of time. And the paragraphs uses time words or phrases to express the order. And finally, it ends with a specific result. Now this is a sample of process analysis paragraph. It's about popular food in Mexico. It's a taco. Eating a juicy taco is not easy. It requires following specific directions. Directions mean instructions or steps. And this is the topic sentence of the process analysis paragraph. First, you must be sure you are wearing clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. Eating a taco while you are wearing an expensive silk blouse is not a smart idea. It's not a good idea. The next thing that you should do is to decide if you want to eat the taco alone or in front of others. And eating a taco in front of someone you do not know very well, such as a new date, can be embarrassing. Then the following step is to plan your attack. It's a good idea to pick up the taco gently and carefully keep it in a horizontal position. As you raise the taco, slowly turn your head toward it and position your head at a 20-degree angle. The last step is to put the corner of the taco in your mouth and bite. By following these simple directions, eating a taco can be a pleasant experience. So Through the paragraph, you can see some words of order like first, the next thing, then, the following step, as, or the last step. And this is the feature, the very features of a process analysis paragraph. Now another sample. Read through the paragraph and answer the question below it. The paragraph is about the steps involved in applying to an American university. Applying to an American university. Although the process for applying to an American university is not complicated, it is important to follow each step. The first step is to choose several schools that you are interested in attending. Next, write to this school to ask for information, catalogs, and applications. You may also want to visit the school's website. After you have researched several schools, narrow your list to 3 to 5. You have the first step, next, after, then mail on the required forms and documents only to your final list of 3 or 5 schools. If the school of your choice requires you to take a standardized test such as the SAT or ACT, be sure to do so early. In addition, ask various school officials and teachers to write letters of recommendation for you if the university requires them. Finally, almost all schools have an application fee. It should be sent in the form of a check or money order. One last piece of advice is to start early because thousands of high school students are all applying at the same time. This is the concluding sentence of the process analysis. It summarizes all the steps listed in the middle in the supporting sentences. So please answer these questions. And we'll have another sample. This is transitional words and chronological order. Chronological order có nghĩa là trật từ thời gian. Trong cái loại đoạn văn mà mô tả phân tích cái quy trình process thì thường mình sẽ tách cái quy trình ra, chia ra thành những cái step. Thì như vậy là nó phải có những cái tràng từ hoặc là những cái cụm từ đó nó chỉ cái thời gian, cái trật tự mà các cái bước nó diễn ra. Cho nên việc sử dụng các cái transitional words, tức là các cụm từ chuyển tiếp giữa các cái câu hoặc cụm câu, cũng như là chỉ cái trật tự về thời gian là cái đặc điểm rất là khác biệt của cái loại đoạn văn này. Đoạn văn miêu tả cái quy trình. Okay. Writer use time phrases, time clauses, and time words to show time order in a process. But remember that it's not necessary to use all the words from the sentences, but you must use all of the ideas in your new sentence. And you also may need to use the connecting words and, because, such as, when, if, or, and, or, according to. Sometimes small tabs are put into a bigger one with connecting words. Please remember, do not always write a sentence for each small step. Do not always do so. For example, in the paragraphs about applying to American University, you have questions, sentences like this. Then mail all the required forms and documents only to your final list of 3 or 5 schools. If the school of your choice requires you to take a standardized test such as the SAT or ACT, be sure to do so early. So, we have 2 rather long sentences, but the way the connecting words are put is different. Okay, in the first one, the connecting word "and" is put in the middle, and in the second sentence, we use "if" to start the sentence, and you can see that you have 2 small steps in each of the sentence. Now, writing past, write paragraph for some of the following topics. When you write your paragraph, please follow these guidelines. Brainstorm the steps in the process. These steps, brainstorming the step of the process is very important. Okay? Then, make an outline for your paragraph and write a topic sentence with controlling ideas. And the last thing to remember, write supporting sentences that give the steps in chronological order or time order. And remember, use transition words to make sure the steps are in the correct order and are easily to understand or to follow. And these are suggested topics for writing process analysis paragraphs. Okay? How to take decent photographs with your cell phone. How to build a great sandcastle. How to lose weight without losing your mind. How to make a perfect cup of tea or coffee. how to avoid a nervous breakdown during exam. Nervous breakdown, okay, means getting very nervous because you are worried about the exams. And how to bathe a cat, for example. How to end a relationship. So, thank you for your attention.